check this out. Got a new part for the STI, and it's been in the trunk for about over a week now. And we got a new exhaust. Part of it's already in the garage. I am 99% sure this is probably going to be too loud. Yes, I know it is dirty, but we're going to clean it up. I'll show you that in just a minute. And let's just get this in the garage for now. All right, so get that on the workbench. And as you can see right here, this thing is really dirty. This really needs a good cleanup. But I did the other side already, and let me show you the before and after results right now. Okay, so I already cleaned up the other muffler section, and just let me put it next to the dirty one just to give you a nice side-by-side comparison of how it is going to look. And it looks absolutely fantastic. I'll show you all the tools that I use to clean up the exhaust. We can get this a little bit shinier to get it a more of a mirror finish, but it's gonna be under the car. I know you guys are going to say this. Nobody is going to see it, but I don't know. Like I said earlier, this exhaust is probably gonna be too loud for the STI, so I might be selling it or trading it out for another exhaust. Maybe if I could find another Q300 or an AWE. I do not want a car that's super duper loud. The Tomei was super loud, and the Q300 I had on the STI before was just about perfect, so kind of regret getting rid of that, but we will see. Hopefully we can acquire another one. I'll show you all the tools that I use to clean up this muffler section. It's all cheap stuff that you can get at the store or at Amazon. But yeah, I'm so stoked. I don't think I'm gonna do the mid pipe, to be honest with you, but we will see how I feel after doing this muffler section. All right, let's go ahead and show you all the tools that I use to get this finish right. So I got some all-purpose cleaner right here, and I just cleaned it up with some steel wool to just get all that surface crap off of the surface of the metal. Then I got a bottle of water here, so I went ahead and sanded it first with 600, 800, and 1000 lightly. I didn't go too hard as far as the sanding. And once the sanding was done, I used this metal polish right here. Of course, you can get all of this stuff on Amazon. I'll put all the links down in the description below. And I use my drill with this little orange pad. Got this on Amazon. It comes with a whole pack, a whole bunch of different, pads that you can use, but this orange one worked really well. So just do that about an hour, maybe 2 hours of your time, and you should get this nice, cool finish. So it's just amazing. Just a little bit of elbow grease, and you can get this dirty exhaust to look like this. Pretty cool. Let's put this down right here so we don't splatter all that junk everywhere all over my workbench. All right, so let's turn the TV on. All right, so there it is. After about less than 10 minutes of cleaning, it already looks 1,000 times better. So for most people, this would be fine. It's clean, it's ready to bolt on the car, but we want it to match the other side and get it that nice polished finish. Of course, it's not perfect. There are a bunch of micro scratches on there. I don't know if you guys can see that on the camera. As you can see right there, we're probably going to sand it with 1000 grit and then polish it with metal polish with the drill foam pad. But yeah, look at that. Check that out. Alright, so we're going to install the Nameless Performance exhaust. I'm not going to film the whole install. You guys have seen exhaust install videos all over YouTube, but I only have about an hour or two to do this since the sun's going to go down. It's like the shortest day of the year right now. But let's get this diffuser off. Let's get this old parent exhaust off. Let's get the new one on. All right, got the Nameless exhaust fully installed. Parent is over there sitting somewhere. Now, before I start the car, I'm gonna let you guys know that I am 99.9% sure that this exhaust is gonna be too loud. So if you are in a local area and you're looking to switch to a louder exhaust and have a Q300 or an AWE, just to name a couple, please let me know. I'm willing to trade you. But it took me about an hour and a half to install. Anyways, let's just do the first start and see how loud this thing is. So as far as loudness, we'll just do a quick little acceleration here. All right, not as loud as a Tomei, louder than the Q300. I would say in terms of loudness, this is probably in between the Q300 and the Tomei. So I wish I could find someone local who wants to trade, you know, like a Q300 or maybe an AWE exhaust. It does sound aggressive though. Yeah, it really does. So let's go to a spot where I give you guys some outside shots. Yeah. I am 100% positive. Now I've heard these on cars or STIs with smaller turbos. I'm 100% positive this would sound just fine. Let's say on a stock turbo or FP green, FP black, something like that. Just a small stock location turbo. On a big turbo setup, it just sounds a whole lot different. It really changes the way exhaust system sounds on a big turbo setup, but it doesn't sound too bad. I don't know if I'm getting a lot of rasp from what I could tell inside the cabin. Oh, that's bright. right, so it is now the next day, and I'll be honest with you guys, the exhaust sound is really growing on me. The exhaust sounds a lot more aggressive than it did before with the parent exhaust. Will the exhaust stay on the car? I don't know. We will see about that. I am open to trying out the 5-inch muffler version. I think that will take away some of the raspiness that I am hearing. But anyways, that is it for now. More videos to come. I appreciate you guys supporting our channel. Stay awesome, and we'll talk to you guys later. Peace out, guys.